Do you know how fast and easy it is for germs to spread? You can't see germs and bacteria, so you really never know what you're actually touching every day. It's our job to protect ourselves and kids from these germs by getting vaccinated. Not getting vaccinated is bringing back these deadly diseases that we could avoid by vaccination. This is putting ourselves and kids in danger, especially the kids who are unable to get vaccines due to their immune systems or for any other type of reason. Vaccines should be mandatory and mandatory to be able to be accepted into any job in order to protect our society. Ever since the invention of the first smallpox vaccine more than 2 centuries ago, there has been plenty of controversy over the safety, mortality, ethics, effectiveness, and safety of vaccinations and immunizations. The purpose of a vaccine is to produce immunity to particular diseases that were previously responsible for millions of deaths. However, not all parents think that it's safe or even necessary to vaccinate their children. Some of the main reasons parents choose not to vaccinate their children are: they think that the illnesses are rare, so that the vaccine is not necessary. However, the only reason that a disease is rare is because of vaccinations. They think vaccines cause bad side effects, and they might cause some side effects, but they're minor and nothing compared to getting the actual disease. And autism. Autism is one of the main reasons people don't vaccinate their kids. People believe that vaccines cause autism. However, there have been many studies done to prove that it's not linked in any way. And people think this because the time that you are due for vaccinations is the time that autism signs start to show up. It's been argued whether or not laws should be introduced that all vaccines should be required for children to get. However, parents argue that it's their ultimate decision on whether or not their child is going to be vaccinated or not vaccinated. Everyone should vaccinate their kids for many reasons. Immunizations can save your child's lives. Vaccines are made simply to protect us and others from diseases. They protect us from diseases that used to kill millions of people. They have completely eliminated some diseases and are close to eliminating other diseases. Another reason that parents should vaccinate is because it not only protects us, but it protects others that we care about. Children in the U.S. are still getting vaccine-preventable diseases because people aren't vaccinating their children. Since 2010, there have been between 10,000 and 50,000 cases of whooping cough each year. In the United States, about 10 to 20 babies die because they were too young to be vaccinated and still caught the disease. And that's why we should vaccinate so that we can eliminate whooping cough. Some babies are too young to be protected by vaccines, and other people may not be able to get vaccinations because they have weakened immune systems due to severe allergies or cancer and things like leukemia or many other reasons. To keep them safe, it's important that we vaccinate our children who are able to get vaccinated and fully immunize them to get rid of the diseases so that they can't spread. This not only protects us, but it protects our family and our loved ones and helps prevent these diseases. Vaccines also are safe and effective. Vaccines are only given to children if they've been carefully studied and reviewed by scientists and doctors and healthcare professionals. Vaccines usually take a minimum of 10 to 15 years to develop. The disease prevention benefits of getting vaccines are much greater than the possible side effects for almost all children. The United States needs to make more strict regulations on vaccines because they're really starting to affect us. In 2009, there had the biggest outbreak of mumps, infecting 303 people. And in 2015, the U.S. had the biggest outbreak of the measles. There have been extensive studies done to prove that vaccines do not cause bad side effects, autism, or anything bad. So there should be no reason that people shouldn't vaccinate their kids. The risk of not getting vaccinated is way worse than getting an actual disease.